Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a tour of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. This is the road that takes you from Harborview to Portland, and it's the largest road project on the way in Jamaica right now. Now the name of the project is the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, but the highway, this road, has not been given a name yet. So we're going to ask you guys what you think about naming this road the Andrew Holness Highway. Now, the reason why I recommend that they name it after the Prime Minister is because he played a big role in building this road. What you're looking at now should have been a toll road. Originally, the highway from Harborview to Portland was to go through the hills and be a toll road, like Highway 2000. But when Mr. Holness came into office, he changed the plan and aligned the road to go through the towns, stating that he wants everybody to benefit from the use of the road. So what we're actually looking at is the main road that was here before that has been upgraded to 4 lanes. Look at this highway. This is the future of Jamaica. And this is not a toll road. This road is free. You don't have to pay to use it. The video started by Grants Pen and we are going into Albion now. 4-lane dual carriageway. This is probably what you would call a super highway in Jamaica. Now Jamaica has other roads like this. Highway 2000 that goes from Kingston to Mandeville, and then eventually from Mandeville to Negril. And you have another road from Kingston to Ocho Rios, and then they're going to build one from Ocho Rios to Montego Bay. Looks just like this, but there are toll roads. You have to pay to use those roads. Nothing wrong with that. But this one looks just like those roads, built to the same quality standards, the same contractor, China Harbour Engineering Company, but this is not a toll road. Now this highway goes from Kingston to Albion, just like where we are now, and then it's going to merge into 2 lanes and go from Albion to Port Antonio as 2 lanes. Here you can see the merging taking place. So I recommend to break this highway into 3 sections. Harborview to Albion to Morant Bay, and then Morant Bay to Port Antonio. Give each section a different name. And this section from Harborview to Yallows should be named after the current Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness. Call it the Andrew Holness Highway or the Holness Highway because he was so instrumental in getting this road built. Now, this is not new to name a road after a Prime Minister. And we have the Edward Siaga Highway, that's Highway 2000 North-South leg, takes you from Kingston to Ocho Rios. We have the PJ Patterson Highway, which is Highway 2000 East-West leg, that takes you from Kingston to Maypen. And we have the Bustamante Highway, which takes you from from Old Harbour to Maypen. We have the Norman Manley Boulevard down in Negril, and I can't remember. We have Marcus Garvey Drive, although Marcus Garvey is a national hero, not a prime minister. I think we have a Portia Simpson Miller Square, but I don't think we have a road named after her yet. So it's during the last couple of years that they've started to name the highways after prime ministers. I think it was within the last 5 years that the Edward Siaga Highway was opened, and the PJ Patterson Highway was a couple of years before that. So it's nothing new to name highways after prime ministers. And since Mr. Holness was so instrumental in building this road, in the same way that Mr. Patterson was instrumental in building Highway 2000 East-West leg, where you get an opportunity to name the road after the person who was very instrumental in building it, I think they should jump on it and do it. Now, I'm not sure, as somebody had pointed out, if you can name the road after a sitting prime minister, because he's the current prime minister of Jamaica. And this road is going to be officially open this year, 2024. Or the section from Harborview to basically Yallows. So we'll keep you guys updated on that. But guys, let me know what you think about renaming the section from Harborview to Yallows the Andrew Holness Highway. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Or you could even name it just the Holness Highway, because there's the Member of Parliament for Harborview, that section is also named Holness. So the Andrew Holness Highway or the Holness Highway, either one can work. And then we're going to have to give the name from Yallows to Mark Bay, name that section of the road after that. Name it basically, and then from Mark Bay to Portland, we name that section of the road. The entire section from Harborview to Portland is 140 kilometers. So to break the road up into 3 segments with 3 different names is probably a good idea. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.